Welcome back to Origami for Kids. In this video, we're going to teach you how to fold a super easy origami hummingbird. We hope you guys enjoy. To start off, you're going to need a square sheet of origami paper, and the first thing you're going to do is fold it in half into a triangle. Then you're going to unfold and then fold into the opposite triangle. Then unfold again and fold into a rectangle. Then unfold again and then fold into the opposite rectangle. Next, you're going to unfold again, and using the creases we have just made, we're going to fold two opposite squares on top of each other. Next, you're going to fold that right side into the center crease, as well as the left side. Then you're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Then you're going to fold that top triangle down on both sides. Next, you're going to open everything up, and then you're going to fold both sides into two skinny triangles that together make a rhombus. Then you're going to flip it over and fold it in half, with the tiny little rhombus on the inside. Then you're going to open up the triangle slightly and then bend down the top so that you form a head like so. Then you're going to fold down the flap and then fold into the center crease on both sides. Then you'll notice that there's a tiny triangle folded. You're going to open it and pop it back up, then press down. When you're all done, you're going to fold it in half to make the head and beak. Then you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to peel the first layer and form one of the hummingbird's wings. Then you're going to repeat on the other side and make sure that both of the wings line up at the same point. And there you go! This is your super easy origami hummingbird. We hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Stay tuned for our next video.